Want to know something wild? That person who leaves you exhausted after every conversation, the one who makes you question yourself constantly, you think they're the problem. But here's the truth. You're actually letting it happen, and you don't even realize it. Today, right now, I'm giving you 7 simple moves that change everything. Use these, and toxic people will either respect you or vanish. Either way, you win. Let's jump in. Number 1. Stop handing them your emotions for free. A toxic person takes a shot at you. They insult you. They say you'll never succeed. What's your reaction? Your face drops. Your voice cracks. You defend yourself, and boom, they win. Toxic people are emotional vampires. They feed on your reactions. When you get defensive, angry, or cry, that's fuel to them. It makes them feel powerful. Picture this. A kid keeps poking you. Poke, poke, poke. If you yell, what happens? They keep going, because they got a huge reaction. But if you show nothing, that kid loses interest fast. That's your strategy. Next time they say something hurtful, try this. Make eye contact. Stay silent for 3 seconds. Count quietly. 1, 2, 3. Then say something boring, like, all right, or sure. Keep your face neutral. Your tone, flat. You're not angry. You're not hurt. You're just blank. Watch their confusion. And most times, they'll quit, because you're not entertaining anymore. People with strength decide what affects them. People with weakness let others control their feelings. Number 2. Stop letting them rob your time. Toxic people are time thieves. They call during your busiest hours. Everything's urgent. Everything's a crisis. And you? You drop everything. You cancel your plans. Over and over. Here's the truth. Your time is more valuable than money. Once it's spent, it's gone forever. So, here's your new approach. When they demand your time, say, I'm not available right now. That's it. No detailed excuse. Just, I'm not available right now. If they push, repeat the SAM words. Stay calm. Don't feel guilty. Real friends respect boundaries. Toxic people think they own your schedule. Guard your time like gold. Number 3. Pull back when they mistreat you. Most people get this wrong. Someone disrespects you, ghosts your messages, says cruel things, ditches plans. Your response? Nothing. You just take it. So their brain learns, I can treat this person however I want. You need to teach them without words. When someone acts toxic, create distance. Temporarily, they text you, reply hours later. They want to meet. You're busy. They need help. You're tied up. You're not being cruel. You're showing that bad behavior has a price. The price is losing access to you. You have value. Your friendship has value. Do this, O1, and watch the shift. They'll wonder why you're distant. And many will think, if I keep being mean, I'll lose them. Maybe I should act better. Good actions get rewards. Bad actions get nothing. Behavior speaks louder than words. Number 4. Stop fearing their anger. As long as you're terrified of upsetting toxic people, they have total control. You'll say yes when you want to say no. You'll accept disrespect to avoid conflict. And toxic people, they sense this fear. They use it against you constantly. You need to become comfortable with sometimes making people upset. If someone gets angry because you set a boundary, they're the problem, not you. Next time you need to refuse something, just refuse. No, I'm not doing that. Watch their reaction. If they explode with rage, create drama, manipulate with guilt, you've confirmed they're toxic. Healthy people accept your no. Toxic people try to punish you for it. When you stop fearing their reactions, you become liberated. Number 5. Stop justifying yourself to them. Toxic people love making you defend your choices. Why'd you do that? Why'd you say that? And you give lengthy explanations. You explain and explain, hoping they'll validate you. Stop that. When you over-explain, you appear weak. Someone questions your choice. You respond, because that's what I decided. Done. If they keep probing, say the identical thing. That's what I decided. Stay composed. Most people will back off. The ones who keep attacking, definitely toxic. Strong people make decisions and own them. They don't need everyone to agree. Number 6. Become completely content alone. This is the ultimate power move. When you're genuinely happy by yourself, people treat you radically different. Here's what starts today. Stop chasing toxic people. Stop always texting first. Stop maintaining relationships single-handedly. Step back. Do things that bring you joy. Become your own best companion. Toxic people will evaporate. They only stayed because you were convenient, because you needed them. But true friends will notice your absence and reconnect. They'll message first. They'll put in effort. You become someone who's happy alone. Then only people who genuinely want your company stay. Number 7. Say your piece once, then exit. Most people either stay silent or repeat themselves endlessly. Both fail. Here's what works. Speak up, one time, calmly. State the problem. When you do this, it hurts me. I need you to stop. That's it. Then you go silent. You don't repeat. You don't elaborate. Now observe their actions. Do they change? Great. Maybe they're not toxic. Or do they ignore you? Repeat the behavior? Make excuses? Now you know. They're toxic. And once you've spoken and they haven't changed, you leave. No second chances. Your words showed your needs. Their actions showed their character. Believe actions, not promises. Speaking up once shows strength. Repeating constantly shows weakness. Choose just one of these strategies. Try it this week. You'll see toxic people either change or leave. Both are wins. Then try another. Keep building. Your entire life will transform. You'll be surrounded by people who respect you. If this helped, hit subscribe right now and apply these 7 strategies today. You're more powerful than you realize. You've got this.